everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, mimibitscoolcraft. This video will be a little different from my other videos because today I'm not gonna make any plush. I want to give this to my friend as a gift. She really likes matcha, so I'm going to give this matcha latte perfume for her. But I don't have any paper bag, so I want to make a bag for this gift to make it more special. I have this fabric in my storage, so I think I'm gonna use this. It will match with matcha color, right? So I hope it will turn out pretty. Wish me luck! First, I use this A4 paper for the measurement. Fold in half and cut it. This is going to be the sewing pattern for the bag. After that, I trace it onto the fabric. If you watch my previous videos, you would know that I am not really detailed on measurements. I don't know why, maybe I'm practical or I'm just too lazy to work on details. I'm just thinking that it's fine if it's not perfect. I can just fix it later. Or not. But of course it would be better if you put your time to measure it. The result would be much better. Okay, so I'm just gonna fast it forward. Basically, I just trace it and cut the fabric. It's not that neat, but it's fine for me. I make 2 of them. And then I use Velboa fabric for the inner part of the bag. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. You can also support me on coffee.com/mimibitscoolcraft. I have a lot of PDF plush pattern there. There are anime characters, K-pop, Disney, and more. Thank you for all of you who had supported me all this time. I really appreciate it. You have helped this channel grow. Okay, back to the cutting process. I also make 2 of them. Now I have all the layers. They are cotton fabric, felt, and Velboa fabric. Now I'm going to layer the fabrics for the outer parts of the bag to make it more fluffy but not too fluffy. That's why I only use felt fabric, not stuffings, because it will be too thick if I use stuffings. And I make the handle using felt fabric. I double the felt and sew them so the handle will be more sturdier. Like so. I don't know if you noticed or not, but I just realized that I wear my bracelet like this. It's not a trend, I just simply didn't pay attention on how I'm wearing it. Just ignore it. And just like what I used to do, I don't really measure all of it. But I think the position of the handles are already quite even. Well, not really, but that's fine. Now I'm going to sew them together. And I'm gonna sew them as well. But for this one, I will make a gap on this side. This is how they look after the sewing. After that, I want to sew the corner side of the bag. I need to put the box first to mark the position that I want to sew. Now I mark the fabric with an erasable pen. This technique is very practical and easy. Done with the sewing. Now I'm going to cut the excess fabric. Now let's see how it looks like. Yes, just as I expected. It looks cute already. I'm so happy. And now for the last step. I'm going to sew them together. I hope it will turn out well. It's a little thick and uneven, so I have to sew them slowly to make sure that I sew all the fabrics. Okay, I think I sewed it well. Let's see the result. Yay, I think I did it. Now I'm just gonna have to sew the gap here. Done with the sewing. Now I put the fabric inside the bag again. And I'm going to sew this side of the bag. Like so. I really like how it turns out. It looks quite neat. And I'm going to paste a Velcro tape inside. I use this glue gun because I forgot to sew the Velcro earlier. And I'm too lazy to sew it by hand, so this glue gun is the solution. Yay, I think it's done. Now it's time to put the gift inside the bag. I hope it fits. Yay, it fits perfectly. I'm adding this thank you tag because this is a thank you gift for my friend. It looks so cute. I really like the result. And it also represents matcha vibe. I hope my friend will love this too. So, what do you think, guys? Leave the comment down below. Thank you for watching. And see you on my next video. Bye!